Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Hootsuite for affiliate content scheduling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Hootsuite's official website. If you do not have a Hootsuite account, click on Sign Up to create one. Select a plan that suits your needs, whether it's free or a paid subscription. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a password. Once your account is created, log in to your Hootsuite dashboard. Next, click on the Add Social Network option at the top of the screen. Choose the social media platform you want to connect for affiliate content, like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. Once connected, you will see your social media feeds appear on the dashboard. To schedule affiliate content, click on the New Post button. Select the social network where you want to publish your post. Enter your affiliate link and create an engaging caption. You can also add images or videos by clicking the media icon. To schedule your post, click on the calendar icon. Choose the date and time when you want the post to go live. Review your post by clicking on the preview option. Once satisfied, click Schedule to finalize the timing of your post. You can also use the bulk upload feature if you have multiple posts to schedule. Upload your file following the required format to streamline your scheduling. Monitor your scheduled posts in the Publisher tab. You can easily edit or reschedule any posts from this section as needed. Finally, keep track of your affiliate links performance using Hootsuite's analytics tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.